Hey, I'm here with one of our volunteers who comes every year, Richard Hubbard from New Hampshire, Team Prevail. He brought a group this year, and I've actually put some of them to work here at the beginning of the event. It's fly-in day, so not everybody has arrived yet. We really start our work tomorrow. Wednesday's fly-in day, but come on, we'll show where we've already put some of the volunteers at work. Here we have one of our esteemed labor force. This is Richard's daughter. First name again?
Marlin.
I knew that, Marlin. All right. So she's helping the church build showers and bathrooms outside so we could have a shower place. We wouldn't have to go. We've been showering at one of the local high schools. So the kids volunteered to do the last-minute cleanup because they just finished construction. Whoa! That little fellow's the Heptathyllidae, unfortunately harmless. Here we have the nasty Lycosa raptoria, whose fangs cause creeping ulcerations of the skin. You guys aren't afraid of spiders, are you? Okay,
Yes.
good. Oh, the black widow, isn't she lovely and so deadly? Her kiss is 15 times as poisonous as that of the rattlesnake. Her venom is highly neurotoxic, which is to say it attacks the central nervous
For the
system.
third
No
time.
big deal. All right. So anyway, they're sweeping up the new bathrooms, and so when you come to Alabama, you won't have to behind the tree anymore, which is kind of nice.